If you're considering Cremation Club, there are a few things you need to know before you commit. This product has been growing in popularity, but is it really the best option for you? Stick around as we compare it to other services and share some insights based on my personal experience with the platform. First off, Cremation Club offers a unique approach to funeral planning. Unlike traditional services that may lock you into rigid, often overpriced packages, Cremation Club allows for a more flexible, custom-tailored experience. What sets it apart is its transparent pricing and easy-to-use platform. You can handle everything online, which is a huge convenience compared to in-person meetings or phone calls that many competitors still rely on. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Cremation Club is relatively affordable compared to some of the bigger funeral service companies, and it's clear that they aim to offer competitive pricing. While some providers can charge hefty fees for basic services, Cremation Club gives you a lot of flexibility to only pay for what you need. This can save you thousands, especially when compared to the traditional funeral services that might push you into buying unnecessary extras. You'll find Cremation Club's pricing transparent, with no hidden fees, which is something not all competitors can say. Now let's talk about the process. Cremation Club is incredibly straightforward when it comes to booking and making arrangements. You can do it all online, everything from selecting cremation services to organizing memorial services. While some other companies still prefer old-school methods that involve more paperwork and in-person meetings, Cremation Club's simplicity allows you to move forward with arrangements faster and with less hassle. It's a major plus if you're looking for a more streamlined experience. The fourth thing to know is the customer support. While Cremation Club generally gets high marks for customer service, there's always room for improvement. In my experience, their support team is responsive, but during peak times or high-demand seasons, the wait times can be longer than expected. Competitors in this space often struggle with the same issue, but it's worth keeping in mind if you're on a tight schedule. One of the standout features of Cremation Club is their emphasis on personalization. They offer customizable urns, memorial services, and even grief counseling, making it easier for families to create a tribute that aligns with their loved one's life. Many other companies in the industry are more rigid in their offerings, and you can end up stuck with a generic package that doesn't truly represent the person you're honoring. Now let's talk about the cremation process itself. Cremation Club has partnered with a number of high-quality providers, ensuring that your loved one is treated with the utmost care throughout the process. While some other cremation services may cut corners to save money, Cremation Club ensures that all of their facilities are accredited, and they even offer options for eco-friendly cremation. This is something not all competitors can offer, making Cremation Club a standout in this area. Finally, one thing that truly sets Cremation Club apart from other providers is their free trial. Yes, you heard that right. Cremation Club offers a completely free trial, giving you a chance to test out their services before making any final commitments. This is a rare offering in the industry and one that really puts Cremation Club ahead of the competition. It shows that they stand by the quality of their service and are confident that you'll be satisfied with your experience. If you want to try out Cremation Club, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software and enjoy some exclusive benefits. Don't miss this chance to experience Cremation Club and see for yourself why it's one of the top services in the industry today.